Every time I hear somebody say guac, I just want to hit them.
Oh.
I don't know, I hate it. It's like, does it have guac?
Guacamole. Say the whole
Guacamole,
thing.
cabrón.
What's up, everybody? I'm stand-up comedian Jesus Trejo. I'm excited. I'm here in my hometown of Long Beach, the LBC. I'm born and raised here. My whole upbringing is here. I started comedy here. And today we're gonna eat some dank-ass tacos that they just slap different. And I'm gonna meet up with Long Beach icon, Gabriel Iglesias, the big homie, first comic to put Long Beach on the map. We're gonna go check out his compound because I heard he has all these cool toys and things he's gonna show us. Ready? Let's do it. Tacos Con Todo! Gracias! It's going down, baby. Start the episode already. What are we doing?
I'm Gabriel Iglesias. Welcome to my compound.
All right, so I rotated the tires on all your cars, cleaned the windshield, changed the oil. Can we do the interview?
All right.
Yes. Gabriel Iglesias, thank you so much for doing this, man.
Thank you, dude.
So as I'm walking through your compound, I'm like so inspired. I keep thinking like, what would my compound be? And I think I'd have a bunch of Regals and Caprice Classics and pigeons. I love pigeons.
You could take someone out the hood, but you can't take the hood out of someone.
I love Regals. You don't like Regals?
Yeah, in the 90s. Speaking of which, bro, what's going on here?
It's every time I've bombed on stage.
Oh my God, yeah, right?
It keeps happening. I don't know, I made it. I bought a belt that didn't fit, so I took the studs out.
I know that life.
So like with any MTV Cribs episode, people want to know what's the most expensive thing. I feel like it's the V-Dub bus collection here.
Collectively, yeah, it's that would be. If we're talking about just one car, kind of a toss-up between the Demon and the Trans Am. Both right around 200.
I don't think I was so acquainted with these up until like a Bang Bus. I mean, it's like, oh,
that's a different online show. I encourage everyone now to Google Bang Bus so you can see that it's very different. That bus is stick shift. It is stick shift.
So you have a thing for V-Dub buses, even to the point where you have fish tanks.
Yeah, I got my fish tank aquariums. The guys from a TV show called Tanked on the Discovery Channel, they reached out and they said, hey man, we'd like to do some tanks for you. Are you interested? And I'm like, well, how much is it gonna cost me? And they're like, free?
What?
Yeah, so they hooked this up. And I made it so that it's, doesn't move, but it moves me in here.
So you have a couple shrines here dedicated to wrestling and superheroes.
Wrestling and superheroes, kind of one and the same. Jericho's been here. Just thought I'd let you know. Yes.
What is that like to be friends with your childhood heroes, like wrestlers? Because you hang out with wrestlers all the time.
It's pretty cool, especially when the personality that you're talking to is really the personality that's on TV. Like for example, Stone Cold he's really Stone Cold. He doesn't turn into like Chad. Like, hi, I'm Chad. And then all of a sudden he gets in the ring. Hey, God damn it, I'm gonna beat you upside the head. No, that's him 24/7. And no disrespect to Chads out there. Love you, Chads.
We love you, Chads. All right, so let's do what we came here to do. Let's go grab some tacos, yeah?
I'm down. I've been waiting. You wanted to look at cars.
I know.
Let's go look at the Marvel and the fish tanks. I'm like, how about some fish tacos, man? How about some, some bean and cheese burritos? Oh, sorry, no beans.
No beans, I'm allergic.
That's crazy, yeah.
Mexican allergic to beans, go figure.
There's a bad joke in there somewhere.
Oh, I did them early on. Okay. I still do them something. I'm like, but I have to ask, can we take one of these buses?
Oh, dude, I already got one outside.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go grab some tacos. Honk, honk.
up on my old neighborhood up here.
It's your old hood. Pollos vivos. That means
Pollos vivos.
chickens are alive.
That girl does not. Never mind. Matter of fact, you know, I know we're going right here to the right, but it's literally the next block over. I'm gonna take you to where I grew up.
Okay. Oh, I love this. Yeah, this place was always so gnarly.
This Guadalupe Market on the corner used to be a video store.
Yes.
The
quinceañera
friend of mine
right
used
there?
to get porno tapes from there. I don't think that'll make it to the episode, but yeah.
Sure will.
Oh, why not? When my mom and I first moved here to Long Beach, we lived right here at 1444.
And it's for rent right now.
Yeah, as it should be. First and only time I got into a fight was right here.
Wow.
I got in a fight. I'm happy to tell you, I am 1-0.
Nice.
I am 1-0.
You got him.
I got him by the arm, and I basically got him like a wrestler. Freaking swung him around. He hit the floor. I jumped on top of him.
That was your favorite reference.
Okay. That's how I remember. Okay.
We're here.
You might want to have your guys take the GoPros out while we're in there.
Yeah.
Unless you want someone else to take them out.
Oh, snap. It's about to go down.
All right, dude. I need to hang out with you more because when I hang out with you, they label the food. I don't gotta bite into something I don't like.
Right.
Because yeah, look at that.
Yeah, they label stuff on our show. Hell yeah.
Clean.
Here we are, Tacos Locos number 3. We have a nice, great spread. We have al pastor. We have buche.
You better tell them what buche is, man, because that's
Buche right here, right in this area, the esophagus. People are looking at me like, that's how you say it.
That sounds like Fear Factor food.
We have some quesadillas, and then your favorite.
A bean and cheese burrito with sour cream.
Like a gentleman.
All right, dude. Well,
hey, I'm not gonna make you hold out anymore. Look at this. Let's dive in. Cheese quesadilla.
Cheers. Señor.
Cheers. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. This is like the appetizer. This is the original Mexican appetizer right here. Right before you get things started, you know.
When people ask me, what is your favorite food, your favorite thing to eat in life?
Yeah.
Cheese quesadilla. Very simple.
Wow. The amazing thing about the tacos here is they make the handmade tortillas here. It's different. It slaps different, you know? Not those out of the bag.
No, these are not out of the bag. This is some little old lady showed up here at 4 a.m., rolled the dough. ¿Cómo las quieres? ¿Cómo las quieres? I grew up coming to spots like this, and this spot in particular. You know, like look over here. That's the original. Back in the day, that was our Nintendo. That was our Sega. That was our Xbox.
What do you think, in your opinion, kind of like makes like a good taco spot? First things first.
First of all, the artwork. Look at the artwork on the wall. The murals on the wall, right there in the corner. That's how my mom met my dad.
With the lasso.
That's how my mom got my dad. She said, "You look horny. Get it? You look horny." And she got him with the lasso. And then this is the typical Mexican house that we all wanted as kids. We all wanted that house. We didn't care that it was pink.
What about that house appeals to our culture, you think?
The fountain. The fountain. Mexicans love fountains.
What is it with that?
We love fountains. We love fountains that you put money in. We love fountain drinks. As soon as I got my house, first thing I wanted, I said, I want a big fountain in the front.
That's hysterical.
And the guy goes, no one else in the neighborhood has a fountain in front of their house. It's gonna look weird. I'm like, that's their fault. They don't want a ball.
Right. So this is like a big staple in our community here, Taco Loco. This is not like a foodie bullshit spot where people are lined up out the door. If you see a crowd out here, it's because shit went down. There's a fight or some shit. Why do you think foodies don't come to the spots like this? Like what?
Safety.
Safety? They don't want to get their ass lit up. What happened? I ate great tacos, but somebody stole my car and
that's a sign of a good restaurant too. If you're willing to sacrifice the car, like you know it's 50-50. When you leave that car, it might not be there, but that's how good the food is that you're willing to risk it. And then while you're ordering, you're hitting the button to make sure you still get the
kick, or just letting people know that it hasn't.
Yeah.
Kick, beep, beep.
So you're telling me you would come up here as a kid, you'd ride your bike, you eat here, and then you play pool next door?
Yeah, so I used to ride my bike here, and this was the deal. My dad was a gardener, and I used to work with him Fridays and Saturdays. Like, you know how most kids would get excited when they'd get taken out of school early? Like, I get to go home. I hated it. I'm like, I'm going to work.
Because you knew what it meant.
I knew what it meant. But the deal was that I can come here. They used to have the Al Pastor top right out front. We stopped by, and I can order as many as I could eat. And I would like swing for the fences. And that was like my big reward. I go home, shower, but this place was like a big part of my upbringing. I always say when you think of Long Beach, two people come to mind. It's Snoop Dogg, who put Long Beach on the map for music, and you, and the comedy where you put Long Beach on the map.
I love this town. This has always been home to me. I mean, I was born in San Diego. People think I'm from El Paso. They think I'm Hawaiian. They think I'm from Chicago. I moved out for a couple years just to see what it was like. Came right back.
You and Snoop are friends, I take it, right?
If I see Snoop, we say hi.
Okay,
We hang out all the time. I don't want to be like, yeah, that's Snoop's boy. We're all together all the time.
Yeah, you guys are friendly.
I don't want to be phony about it. I mean, we're cool. He had me on his show, and because of him, I'm missing a whole day from my life. I have no recollection of that day.
Oh, really? What happened?
Oh, because what he smokes is what he smokes. I call his weed, Snoop's weed is Men in Black weed.
Okay.
Remember the movie Men in Black with the little pin?
Yeah.
They fling, and you like that, and they can program you?
Yeah.
That's what his weed does to you.
Wow. And one of the things I really respect too about you and coming up as a comic and at this great place where you're at in your career is that, you know, you never forgot your roots, you know, and you didn't have to drive anything down. Like, you never shied away from who you were as a Mexican American. But when people regard you, it's not a Latino comic, it's a comic. It's like by being funny and being a comic and not being kind of pigeonholed. Was that tough for you coming up?
Always. Still, you know, it's still a thing.
Really?
People they always want to put a label on you.
Right.
But I think at the end of the day, I'm at a point now where I got to prove it more to myself than anything. And I cherish it. You know, that stage is I've given up and sacrificed everything. I've sacrificed relationships, of health, free time, privacy. I mean, you name it. It's all been given up for the sake of that stage.
Yeah, the dream is an expensive one, and people don't really know what that price tag entails, you know?
Mm-hmm.
What advice would you have for, you know, standing out in the comedy world?
It's not always what you say, it's what you don't. That's why in my show, I don't talk about politics, because you immediately divide the audience. I don't talk about religion because people are very sensitive about that, so leave it out. I don't talk about sports because Raider fans are motherfuckers.
Hilarious.
You gotta be careful.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Do I have an opinion? Absolutely. And I tell people, you wanna hear it? Buy me a shot. Buy me 5. You'll hear some shit.
That was very political, and I was like...
Very political in a non-political kind of way.
In a non-political manner.
Non-political.
But hey, just want to say thank you so much for your time.
Dude, you fed me, bro.
Well, yeah,
You're
man.
like, I can't believe you did the show. I'm like, man, I can't believe I got 2 quesadillas.
Yeah, no, this is great. I thank you for the inspiration, and thank you for everything you do, man.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Smell your finger now. There you go.
Was that cajeta?
Cajeta and cheese.
And cheese?
A little bit of horchata. Miss me? Yeah.
Tacos con todo.
Tacos con todo. That's tacos with everything if you don't speak Spanish. Google that shit, people. While you're at it, Google horchata, because this shit's good.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and you're watching Hot Ones. It's the show with hot questions and even hotter tacos.
Tacos, bro.
Jesus Trejo is in the building. Tacos Con Todo, a new show on First We Feast, Tuesdays at 11 a.m. This is the initiation, a last dab taco.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus Trejo, welcome to the family, my man.
Thanks, man. This is gonna hurt tomorrow.